The DeFi token rally was a rare exception in a market that has been moving sideways for weeks, said Riyad Carey, a research analyst at crypto data firm Kago. Bitcoin continued to trail its 20-day moving average, clear evidence of the bear market's resiliency. The top altcoin gainers recently were Aave and Matic, which both climbed more than 3%. Uniswap's UNI token rose 9.5% over the past 7 days after raising $165 million in a funding round led by Polychain Capital. Before we continue, if you enjoyed watching the video, please share your thoughts by clicking the like button and writing them in the comments section below. If you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, you will be among the first people to find out when new videos are published on the channel. So let's just get started. The XRP price has fallen by 2.5% in the past 24 hours, dropping to $0.459316. It's also down by 5.5% in the last 7 days, yet ongoing expectations of a positive end to the Ripple SEC case also means that it remains up by 27% in the last 30 days. Tellingly, the altcoin has also risen by an impressive 115% since December 31, 2020, when the SEC's announcement of legal proceedings against Ripple caused it to fall to $0.212070. Perhaps more importantly, March also brought news of the court upholding Ripple's right to use a fair notice defense, which the SEC had filed a motion to dismiss. A recent poll of 55 specialists produced an average prediction that XRP will reach $3.81 by the end of 2025 if Ripple wins. Institutional clients of Fidelity Digital Assets will be able to trade Ether, ETH, beginning October 28, according to a memo sent out by the investment firm. The move is the latest step towards making crypto available to institutional clients by Fidelity, the parent company of Fidelity Digital Assets. Earlier this month, the giant asset management firm said it started a new Ethereum index fund for accredited investors, after raising about $5 million since sales started on September 26. The firm currently offers 2 exchange-traded crypto funds dedicated to the metaverse and digital payments, respectively. Fidelity's clients will be able to buy, sell, and transfer Ether, according to the memo. The contents of the memo were confirmed to CoinDesk by a Fidelity spokesperson. Celestia is building a modular blockchain architecture with the hope of solving challenges inherent when deploying and scaling blockchains. The company indicated that its modular blockchain architecture will focus on improving scalability, shared security, and sovereignty issues, making it easier for developers to freely choose their own execution environments, such as EVM, Solana VM, and more. In May, Celestia launched its testnet, Momaki, with an upgrade scheduled for late October 2022. Despite the ongoing crypto winter, venture capitalists appear to have an insatiable appetite for the Web3 industry. According to Cointelegraph research, venture firms invested $14.67 billion into the sector in the second quarter of 2022, effectively matching first quarter commitments. The Terra Expedition is a revised version of the Developer Mining Program and Alignment Program that were established when the network started. The majority of Luna tokens must be voted in favor of the proposal before it can go into effect. Do Kwon, the platform's controversial co-founder, faces a warrant for his arrest on fraud charges. Authorities have been searching for Kwon since last month, but he has denied that he is on the run. Luna tokens, LUNA, will be used to reward developers building on the platform, following the implosion of the Terra network in May. Developers will be eligible for up to $40,000 in reimbursements for their smart contract audits. A liquidity mining incentive scheme of 50 million Luna tokens, distributed over 4 years, has also been proposed. Coinbase is backing Grayscale, the world's largest Bitcoin fund, in its legal battle with the SEC. The company is suing the federal regulator over its refusal to approve an exchange-traded fund, ETF, for Bitcoin. A Bitcoin ETF would allow investors to indirectly invest in Bitcoin without buying the cryptocurrency through an exchange and storing it in a digital wallet. The Bitcoin spot market, the buying and selling of physical BTC, is not regulated by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. A Bitcoin spot exchange-traded fund, ETF, would back its shares directly with Bitcoin. The SEC has denied multiple Bitcoin spot ETF proposals from different parties, citing concerns over potential market manipulation. The U.S. Internal Revenue Service, IRS, has made a move this week to clarify at least one question for crypto investors: how taxpayers account for non-fungible tokens, NFT. The tax division of the Treasury Department released an updated draft for its 2022 instructions for Form 1040 filers that swaps the old category for virtual currency with broader new language on digital assets, including an explicit recognition of NFTs. For example, digital assets include non-fungible tokens, NFT, and virtual currencies, such as cryptocurrencies and stablecoins. The previous year's virtual currency section of the U.S. tax filing instructions was a narrower definition of a digital token that functions as a unit of account, a store of value, or a medium of exchange. The final tax instructions haven't yet been released, so the crypto section could still be tweaked before it's official. Blur, a new NFT marketplace, is promising new users free crypto in the form of an airdropped gift. The gift will contain an undisclosed amount of Blur tokens, which traders must keep unopened until 2023. Blur claims its platform can snipe reveals faster than anywhere else and makes purchases 10x faster than Gem. Blur, a new marketplace for non-transactional tokens, NTF, will offer rewards to traders who opt into royalties. Traders who choose to forego paying royalties entirely will receive low rewards, while those who pay partial royalties and full royalties will receive proportionately more rewards. After its first introductory airdrop, Blur plans to issue a second larger, more involved one in November. Indian shoppers can try out products from brands like Puma and Nivea in the gamified and interactive metaverse. The new shopping experience will be available on Flipkart's newly online shopping platform, Fire Drops. At the same time, brands will be able to generate and create their metaverse-ready digital twin in the virtual world. Flipkart is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in India, and has launched a pilot for the metaverse. The metaverse allows users to shop and interact with brands and offers in a virtual and immersive setting. Last year, Flipkart announced that it would be accepting Bitcoin payments, which turned out to be a prank.